The world of 3D printing is constantly evolving. New printers emerge, each promising faster speeds and better quality. The Creality K1 has taken the 3D printing community by storm. It's known for its incredible speed and reliability, but is it the right printer for you in 2024? This comprehensive review will delve into the Creality K1's features, strengths, and weaknesses. We'll examine its construction, explore its capabilities, and help you decide if this speed demon deserves a place in your workshop. Get ready to discover if the Creality K1 lives up to the hype. The Creality K1 boasts an array of features designed to impress even the most discerning 3D printing enthusiast. This machine is not just another 3D printer, it's a game changer in the world of additive manufacturing. One of its standout features is its generous build volume, which allows you to print larger and more complex objects without compromising on quality. With dimensions of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the K1 provides ample space for realizing your creative visions. Whether you're working on a small prototype or a large-scale model, this printer has you covered. But the K1's true strength lies in its remarkable speed. This isn't just about getting your prints done faster, it's about maintaining high quality at those speeds. Capable of reaching printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer is built for efficiency. Imagine completing your projects in record time without sacrificing detail or accuracy. Imagine bringing your ideas to life in a fraction of the time it would take on a conventional 3D printer. This means more productivity and less waiting around. And let's not forget about precision. The K1 is engineered to deliver exceptional detail, making it perfect for intricate designs and complex geometries. The K1 boasts a layer resolution of 0.05 millimeters, ensuring that your prints are incredibly detailed and visually stunning. This level of precision means that every layer is perfectly aligned, resulting in smooth surfaces and sharp edges. The Creality K1 isn't just about speed and precision, it's also built to last. Its sturdy construction starts with a robust aluminum frame. This frame provides a stable foundation for the printer, minimizing vibrations and ensuring consistent print quality. The heated bed is another crucial component of the K1's design. It ensures that your prints adhere properly to the build surface, preventing warping and other common printing issues. Finally, the K1 features a Bowden extruder, a reliable and widely used extrusion system. The Bowden extruder feeds filament smoothly to the hot end, contributing to the printer's overall reliability. Creality hasn't rested on its laurels with the K1. For 2024, they've introduced some exciting new features to enhance the user experience even further. One of the most notable additions is the new touchscreen interface. This intuitive interface makes it easier than ever to control your prints and monitor the printing process, but that's not all. The 2024 K1 also comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This means you can send your print jobs wirelessly from your computer or mobile device, giving you greater flexibility and convenience. These updates demonstrate Creality's commitment to staying ahead of the curve and providing users with the latest technology. Section 5, Material Master, exploring the K1's filament compatibility. The Creality K1 doesn't limit your creativity when it comes to materials. It's compatible with a wide range of filaments, including the ever-popular PLA and ABS. PLA is known for its ease of use and vibrant colors, making it perfect for beginners. ABS, on the other hand, offers greater durability and heat resistance, making it suitable for more demanding applications. But the K1 doesn't stop there. It can also handle more advanced materials such as PTG, TPU, and even wood-filled filaments. PTG combines the best of PLA and ABS, offering both strength and ease of printing. TPU, or thermoplastic polyurethane, is a flexible filament ideal for creating phone cases, wearables, and other objects that require a bit of give. Section 6, Picture-Perfect Prints, assessing the K1's print quality. One of the most crucial aspects of any 3D printer is its print quality, and in this department, the Creality K1 doesn't disappoint. Prints produced on the K1 are known for their sharpness and detail. The combination of the printer's high resolution and precise movements ensures that every intricate detail of your 3D models is faithfully reproduced. Whether you're printing prototypes, miniatures, or even functional parts, the K1 delivers impressive results. Its ability to produce high-quality prints across a range of materials makes it a versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Section 7. Weighing the options, pros and cons of the Creality K1. Like any 3D printer, the Creality K1 has its pros and cons. It's important to consider both sides before making a purchase decision. Let's take a closer look at what makes this printer stand out and where it might fall short. Understanding these aspects can help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: exceptional speed. The K1's speed is its most significant advantage, allowing for rapid prototyping and efficient production. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses needing quick turnaround times. High-quality prints. With its high resolution and precise movements, the K1 consistently delivers impressive print quality. This ensures that your projects have a professional finish, whether for personal or commercial use. Sturdy construction. The robust aluminum frame and reliable components ensure stability and durability. This means the printer can withstand long hours of operation without compromising on performance. Wide material compatibility. From PLA to TPU, the K1 can handle a variety of filaments, expanding your creative possibilities. This versatility allows you to experiment with different materials to achieve the desired results. User-friendly features. The touchscreen interface and Wi-Fi connectivity enhance the user experience. These features make it easier to control and monitor your prints, even remotely. Price point. The K1's advanced features come at a higher price point compared to some entry-level 3D printers. This might be a consideration for hobbyists or those on a tight budget. Learning curve. While user-friendly, mastering the K1's full potential might require some time and experimentation. Users may need to invest time in learning its advanced features to fully benefit from its capabilities. Section 8. Final verdict. Is the Creality K1 worth your investment in 2024? So, is the Creality K1 worth investing in 2024? Let's delve deeper into what makes this 3D printer stand out in the crowded market. The answer is a resounding yes, with a caveat. The Creality K1 offers a blend of speed, precision, and versatility that is hard to match. If you're looking for a 3D printer that combines exceptional speed, impressive print quality, and a wide range of features, the K1 is an excellent choice. Its high-speed printing capabilities mean you can complete projects faster without compromising on quality. Its ability to handle various materials and produce highly detailed prints makes it a valuable tool for a variety of applications. Whether you're into prototyping, creating intricate models, or producing functional parts, the K1 has you covered. However, it's important to consider the price. The K1's advanced features and capabilities come at a premium. The K1's advanced features come at a cost, so it might not be the best option for those on a tight budget. But for those who can afford it, the investment is justified by the performance and reliability it offers. But if you're serious about 3D printing and want a machine that can keep up with your ambitions, the Creality K1 is a worthy investment. Its robust build and cutting-edge technology ensure that it will remain a valuable asset in your creative toolkit for years to come.